I'm in the middle of nowhere really. CFS and Iron Bank, probably never heard of it. But I have got my losi with me, and I thought I would show you guys my new toy. And basically it is a losi Super Rock Ray, and it's RTR. So I haven't done anything to it really. I just pulled it out the box. I've put some 8S batteries in it, and yeah, it's a pretty cool little truck. I'm sure you guys have seen it numerous times on YouTube already. Solid rear axle, independent front suspension, yeah, and it rips. So let's see what it can do. So this is my first electric car since I was about 10. When I was about 10, my mum bought me a Tamiya, and yeah, the Tamiya was great. It was a little beach buggy. This was Tamiya's 1981 Sand Rover, and it was good. My channel, I do gas cars, petrol cars. Well, I decided that I might as well investigate 21st century brushless, and while it is not petrol, and you can't compare because petrol is petrol, and electric is electric, but it's a bit like comparing apples and oranges really. There's no real comparison. They both have a place, and I'd have to say this is pretty fun. I mean, I do still love my big bores, my little reed motors. But I also think I enjoy this too, eh? I mean, 8S, this thing hauls. I took it out in grass the other day, and I think it does better on this terrain over grass. The grass, it just kind of wanted to roll over a little bit more. And now what I'll do is I will do a couple comparisons so we can have a look at them have a look at it compared to my other vehicles in my arsenal. Here you can see it compared to my stock Baja, and you can see the wheelbase is a little bit shorter, but it's a little bit wider, very comparable. So this is it compared to the FG Beetle, and the wheelbase is spot on. They are both 1/6 scale, so it is quite a substantial truck really. We have my custom Taylor RC 65cc Baja, and yeah, so I don't think it's anything to sneeze at really. Nice comparisons though, get a good feel for what size this car is. One thing I do like about it, as you can see, it's got reverse. What? Reverse? Honestly, I've been filming for 7 minutes already, and that's almost as long as some of my petrol cars will run before an incident, and she seems to be doing alright, eh? So yeah, it's 8S with some 760 milliamp 4S packs. So there's 2 of them in there, and I've done absolutely nothing to it. Only thing I've done is stick in the batteries, got it out the box, RTR, and it's freaking great. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and we'll catch you again soon.